guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Bichos collection. It is none other than the Saltamontes Dorado, or the brown grasshopper in English. But well guys, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like grasshoppers, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband / cameraman whose channel is called Cosas Parchinaire. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. Oh, guys, let's go ahead. Let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic, and now it's time to have an up-close look at the magazine. And up at the top it has the title of the collection, Bichos or Bugs, and here it says Saltamontes Pardo or brown grasshoppers. And here it talks about the grasshoppers, these brown grasshoppers. It gives a little description, it gives a little bit of information about their habitat, as well as other observations. It also shows a picture of the slide, which I will show you in just a moment. It gives you it points you out like the fact that they have short antenna, it shows their wings, that sort of thing. And here it gives the scientific classification for these grasshoppers. And here it talks in general about grasshoppers. These guys are impressive looking. And here it says a typical insect, because you can basically find these all over the place. In any kind of grassy area. So it says that these do really well in dry climates. And it just shows you, as always, the different kind that live, well, some of the different kind that live in different parts of the world. You guys tell me down in the comments below which one do you guys like the most. I really like this one that's like bluish and pink. It looks really pretty. Oh well. Here it shows some of their main habitats. And here it says that they live to eat. remember when I was younger, I found a grasshopper. At least I think it was a grasshopper. That was huge. It was like maybe bigger than my hand, right? It was so big. And it was like green and brown. I still don't know what kind it was, but it kind of scared me in the moment because I'd never seen a bug that was so big before in my life. I was like, oh my gosh. But well, here are their main predators. Birds, spiders, which we've unboxed. We've unboxed many spiders in this collection. If you're interested in seeing that, make sure to check out the playlist in the in cards. And then mammals, insectivorous mammals, so like rats, hedgehogs, that sort of thing. And then praying mantises. We've also unboxed the praying mantis. If you're interested in seeing that, guys, again, make sure to check out the in cards in the end of the video. Big jumpers, it says. And it shows you both insects and other animals that are really good at jumping. Dangerous plagues. Yeah, these guys can kind of screw up. Crops. Because they think that a big field of crabs is an all-you-can-eat salad buffet. Oh well. And here's the puzzles at the end. And there's also a quiz. And well, guys, that's the end of that. Now it's time to check out our brand new grasshopper. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. And well, guys, now it's time to check out our new brown grasshopper. He looks really cool. He looks a bit like the grasshoppers from Bug's Life. The like bad grasshoppers. He looks really cool. His wings are also really impressive. There's his face. This is maybe among one of the best preserved specimens that we've gotten. And well, guys, tell me, what do you guys think about our brand new grasshopper? Tell me down in the comments below. And well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there, guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, be sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Bartender. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, I will see you later. Have a great day. Bye-bye.